Hi, I'm Linda Lee, Keller Williams, Valley, San Diego. Here we are, 2024, and USA Today has rated San Diego as one of the top 10 real estate market in the US. Actually, we're number 4. We anticipate it's going to be a very healthy and active real estate market in San Diego this year. So we want to get everyone prepared. Today, Simone is going to speak next, share with us the 4 really great programs. Many of you knows about the Dream for All program last year. That $300 million was used up in 2 weeks. When they make the funds available again, we anticipate it will go very quickly, and it's going to be a lottery system. So we want to prepare everyone. If you know anyone who would be interested in using the program, we'll get Simone to help you get ready. Number 2 is a new renovation program. For example, the home worth $1 million. Really, you're buying they make the loan for $800,000 and $200,000 funds available to do renovation that you need to finish in 6 months. The third one is really for people who are 62 years and older. And if the sale proceed that you have from the sale of your home, you can actually do a reverse mortgage for the home you're purchasing. So you don't have a mortgage, you don't have to qualify. Fourth one, I get a lot of people ask me, hey, can I get a home equity line on my investment property? Yes, you can. So Simone is going to start her presentation and let you know how she can prepare you, how we can work together and make your American home ownership or investment dreams come true. Here's Simone.
I'm going to tell you guys about loans that most people don't know about and that are not as common on the market right now. This is going to help a lot of homeowners get into the home ownership sooner than they had maybe thought that they could. Like Linda said, San Diego County is one of the most desired places to live, and a lot of people are trying to swoop up homes. So here are a couple of different programs that are unique that might help you guys get into home ownership sooner. The first one that Linda was talking about was the down payment assistance program. The down payment assistance program can come in various different forms. The big one that got a lot of hype was the California CalHFA Dream for All program. And this program is not available today. It is paused. However, it will become available again sometime this spring, we anticipate. So the way that it's going to work this time around is that it's not going to be first come, first serve, and they're going to do it off of a lottery system. So we really encourage you guys to get all of your documentation and get pre-approved. Know what you're targeting. Know what you can afford. Know what to expect for those payments. So when that lottery system opens up, that you can sign up immediately and Linda can start finding a home for you guys to get an offer accepted on. So there are other down payment assistance programs. They are not the same as that one. I will briefly just bullet that one of them is a 3.5% down payment assistance and the other one 5%. These also have much different stipulations. So feel free to reach out. What my job is to do is to tell you guys everything that's available out there and what you can qualify for, and then you pick what fits and what's right for you. So just to recap, on the California Dream for All program, that was the 20% down payment assistance. And again, that one is going to go on a lottery-based system. We should be getting an announcement sometime this month on when that lottery will open up for the spring, and we'll keep you guys posted. The next program that I'm going to talk about is the renovation program. This is a fantastic program. It will only do conventional loans. What I mean by that is no jumbo. So as long as you can be in the conforming high balance space, we have these on FHA, we have them on VA, and now we have them on conventional as well. We always have, but there have been significant improvements to the conventional one recently. And so now, instead of just doing maybe redoing a kitchen, a small renovation, you can actually be allowed to finance much more of the cost. So those homes that you see that are fixer-uppers online that maybe say no financing available or all cash, those might now be something that you can entertain. And the example that I gave Linda was, let's say you're pre-approved for a loan amount of $1 million and you find a place for 800, but it needs a lot of work. Maybe you even need to add a room, maybe it's not habitable at the moment. You can finance the additional 200,000 if your max approval was at $1 million to make all those renovations and now have a home that you've actually designed and changed for yourself. So that opens up a lot of opportunity, especially when there's no inventory, finding those homes that are fixer-uppers and making it yours. It's a really good program. So if that's something that you're interested, it definitely takes planning. It's not as quick as a regular loan in the terms of there's a lot more steps in planning. You would need to have a contractor that's going to do the work that you need to have done. So we can talk about all that. Reach out to me. The sooner the better. The sooner you can get prepared and you know what you need to go look for, the sooner Linda can find you that home. The next one we're going to go to is the home equity conversion mortgage. Now, in past times, people would call it a reverse mortgage. We don't call it that anymore. And the reason for that is because there's been so many significant improvements. And it really makes this a genuinely good option for people who are 62 and over and have a lot of equity in their house. And they're looking to maybe buy a new home and either downsize or upgrade, what have you, but they can't qualify for a mortgage payment, or they simply don't want a mortgage payment. This is a very good solution to use the equity in your home to purchase a new home without having to qualify for it. So if you're interested in that, definitely reach out. We can get you pre-approved for that. We can tell you what the limits are. Those ones are going to be very individual, and those we do have they're backed by the FHA, and then we also have proprietary products. So if you have a home with a much higher value, there are more options to let you tap into more of that equity. Lastly, I'm going to talk about home equity lines. We all know there's home equity lines out there. They're all mostly attached to the Wall Street Journal prime rate. And those rates can vary. Traditionally, it has been very hard to get an equity line on a second home or an investment property, but we do have investors that will allow for investment property owners to put an equity line on that property. So that's a really good feature that a lot of people have been looking for that just haven't existed until now. And so we've seen a lot more opportunity with some investors opening up the doors to accept those types of loans. And I would also encourage you that if you are self-employed and you need a bank statement type income approval on a home equity line, they also have those as well. So those are kind of some niches that we can bring to you and that we look forward to helping you with. We, of course, have all the traditional, conventional, and jumbo products as well. But these were four topics that not a lot of people talk about. They don't get a lot of exposure. And it might be a better product for you, or it might actually get you into home ownership when you didn't think it was possible before. So I encourage you to reach out to myself or to Linda, and we can help you get there.
Hey, Simone, those are some fantastic programs. My goodness, wow. All different things for different clients and, different stage of their life. And I think it's so fantastic. So thank you so much. And I think key thing is really for you to want to take advantage of the program, please reach out to us. The schedule appointment. My number is 858-254-5399. Call, text, email. I'm available to help you. And Simone, what's your number?
619-804-7212. Happy to help anytime.
Yeah, we are here to help. Thank you. Take care.
Thanks for having me, Linda.
Absolutely. Thanks.